Hey guys, this is my smoke alarm testing and carbon monoxide testing. We're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So anyway, let's get this started. So right here is the first alert. Let's see. Let me turn the wire harness. Model. Focus. Focus, please. I don't know what's going on my camera. I'm trying to get this camera to focus. Say black line. Model 920B. It's made in January 25th, 2013. So this is way new. Let's see. So anyways, so this is one of the later ones. This is ionization, so let's get a test. Cool. Right here's the FireX FG20. Yeah, it's model FG20, and it's manufactured in 1996. So let's get a test. Right here is the Kidde. Right here is the Kidde. Focus, please. It's a Kidde P something. Hey, I just want this camera to focus. Model I9040. This is ionization, so let me flip it on. Before I do that, I'll flip it on. Now it's on, so it has the clear dome button. Your model also has one. So let's give it a test. Right here is a Kidde. Smoke on. This is a Kidde. Hope this camera needs to be focused right now. It's a Kidde I8030. This is made in 2015 December. And I totally forgot the date on this one. This is made in May 10th, 2018. This is what's manufactured. But so anyways, this, and let me get a test. This one also has the clear dome button, so let's get a test. Right here is the Kidde KN COD. KN COD OP 5833. It's made in May. There's the manufacture date. May something I cannot know. -07. This is made in 2007. So this is carbon monoxide alarm. This is not smoke alarm. It doesn't detect smoke. So cool. Hang on a moment. I think this is battery operated. So right here's the Kidde Nighthawk. It's called the Kidde Nighthawk KN COD 528. This is made October 8th, 2008. Let's give it a test. Right here is the Kidde carbon monoxide alarm. Let's see what the model is. And there's a model somewhere. Oh no. Yep, this is made in 2014, so let's get a test. Okay, before I do this, I'm gonna unplug those. Right here is a Lifesaver battery operated carbon monoxide alarm. Let's get a test. Right here is the Kidde. Let's see what this is. Symbol number. This is a KN COD DPH, and this is made in March 14th, 2007. So this has been old. This is my first one I ever seen in this house when we got here. So let's get it a test. And right here, this is a old smoke alarm. I've never seen this in my entire life. This is a Sears model GH28 because this is way too old. I never seen this smoke alarm. This is battery operated, so let's get a test. Right here's a Sunbeam model GH28. This is a hardwired smoke alarm. This is made in 1973. This is made in 1979. So, let's do a test.
That was easy.
And now this is the final one. I'll reach up. I'm gonna reach up here. This is a hardwired alarm. This one, keep holding my bone. This one is a Kidde. Let me take this off a wire harness. Let's see. So this is a KN S100N. Its date is made in December 3rd, 2007. This is old. So anyways, let's get a test. So anyways, I just crawl back down. Didn't see myself. And this is a test of my smoke alarms. And no, they're all unplugged. This is a test of my smoke alarms. That's it.